A day in the life of a super affiliate. With the freedom gained by super affiliate status, the responsibilities are unbelievable. Let's look at a day in the life of a super affiliate. Time for breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day, you know. That being taken care of, the computer is turned on for development updates on the network. After all, there may be new information this marketer needs, and of course statistics must be checked. It's a new day after all. On today's agenda, new site design. This marketer knows how important a well-designed site is for increasing sign-ups from new visitors. Conversion rates can also be affected. This is a good thing, have to take care of it quickly. Now it's time to track down sales figures and note contact information. Phew, that one has the marketer tuckered out. It's time to stroll to the kitchen for more coffee. Okay, back to the office. Wow! New ads and banners just came out. The marketer can use them when he's doing recommendations today. That's a good way to stay visible, potentially ensuring more sales. The marketer decides it's time to hit those email messages from this morning's visitors. Can't keep them waiting too long. Quick, professional and friendly does just fine. Might as well check the social network sites at the same time. A quick promo here and there, that's done. Oops, forgot to let the dog back in. The newsletters and e-zines sent out the other day may have changed things in the market. The marketer needs to check the status and take notes on promos and deadlines for the next publications. Oh look! An email just came in from a very satisfied customer. Wasn't that the one Adam helped with? Why yes it is. The marketer notes this to be added to the next newsletter as well. After all, give credit where credit is due, right? Supper time already? The marketer managed to get everything done today. Hey! A new affiliate just joined the ranks. The marketer just answered his questions this morning. Ah, the sweet smell of success.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.